Captains here, Adam Shelton with another edition of ClearCryptos, No Trust in Act. And today's episode, we're talking about cryptocurrency. Why? Because my mom called me this morning and she asked me what the big C word. What is cryptocurrency and what is this B all over the internet that starts with a B, ends with the N? I told her Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency ever created. I shared that information with her, but I'm going to talk more about what is cryptocurrency with you and things I shared with her this morning. Now, I told her this, I said this: cryptocurrency is a form of digital currency that can be used to make purchases, transfer money, and pay for goods. She started thinking like, really? I can use this to pay for goods and transfer money? I said, yeah, absolutely. I also said this: cryptocurrency are not backed up by the government, so their worth is determined by supply and demand. I also said this: 1.3 billion people uses cryptocurrency. This represents 54% increase since 2017. So I'm like, listen, it's getting better, but we still got ways to go. And I said the majority of the users really in the North America, then Europe and Asian Pacific. Then I said, listen, there's other countries that you don't see on this list here, which meaning there's a lot of room to grow. By the end of 2022, there will be more people using cryptocurrency, more than ever, around 2.9 billion estimating people using cryptocurrency by the end of the year of 2022. That's something to really think about, and really I'm excited about that number growing even more. Now, why do people use cryptocurrency? And there's a couple of good reasons here that I really found out. Now, the first one is obvious: the swiftness. Operations in BTC, which is Bitcoin, are conducted much faster than bank transactions. Run instantly. Things like that. Fast, secure, cheap. You definitely want to take a look at something like this. The second thing is cheap. We just got through mentioning that. It is true. It is cheap. The network transactions do not stipulate for fees. If they do, the fees are minimal. Minimal. Makes things cheaper and free, basically almost free. The government cannot take it away. Cannot take this away. In March of 2013, the government tried to take away all uninsured deposits upper than $100,000. This couldn't happen because Bitcoin, a currency and decentralized, depending on the internet without control authorities, banks cannot take it away as well. Chargebacks are absent. No one can steal your personal data. And here's another thing: no inflation. No inflation whatsoever. Now, here's a couple of things why you should care about cryptocurrency, a digital form of money. Cryptocurrency is owned by everyone. Everyone. Cryptocurrency does not stand for debt. That's one. Number two, cryptocurrency is almost impossible to forge. Understanding the blockchain technology will help you not only understand what is cryptocurrency, what that's all about, but this power, this key to the power of the digital currency. That's powerful. That's a really powerful number two there. Now, the number three is cryptocurrency transactions are mostly confidential. The traditional currency issued by the government, you can probably transact or pay for something like that in person using cash. Well, not cryptocurrency. Not at all. It's on the blockchain. Now, cryptocurrency security grows through time and value. Time and value. I love that there. So these are a couple of good reasons of why should you use cryptocurrency, and a few advantages of using it as well: low fees, fraud, immediate settlement, identity theft, access to everyone, decentralized, and then recognition at university level. Now, there's a couple of disadvantages. I know, a couple of disadvantages, but it's going to be all right. Fact is, many people are still unaware of cryptocurrency, aka digital currency. So not a lot of people know about it. Remember, I was showing you the chart. There's only 1.3 billion using cryptocurrency in the world. We got ways to go. Moreover, people need to be educated about it as a whole and how this can be beneficial to their lives. It can really be beneficial. It's faster, it's cheaper, it's more accessible. It just needs adoption and regulating, in my opinion. Now, businesses need to start accepting this. We're seeing increase of more businesses accepting cryptocurrency, and they need to make it easier to sign up and get started. We need more education, which reason why I love ClearCryptos because it's an educational cryptocurrency channel. Now, these are the top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization. And you see Bitcoin is number 1 as well. Now, here's my last thing I want to talk about cryptocurrency. Is it here to stay? And this part right here, business could lead the charge in crypto adoption. This right here could be key in the future. Business can really take this and have it beneficial to their customers and to people that's around not only technology and financial stability, but this can really change the world. Now, cryptocurrency, in my opinion, is here to stay. Bitcoin was the first one. It's a top one that you see right here. And I can't wait for more adoption because cryptocurrency is owned by everyone. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Cryptocurrency, and it's from the ClearCryptos channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel for more educational values on this channel. You definitely want to stay here. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.